Hello, today we're going to talk about how to filter your data before building an AI model using the Sway AI platform. So you might have a data set here like this file that we've brought in a workflow. And this is a preview of the first 1,000 rows. You'll see there's 8 columns. And we have some numerical variables like revenue and units sold or units purchased. And then we have some what we call categorical or string or text variables like the region, the product name, the customer number, etc. But instead of running a model or training a model on the entire data set, what if I only wanted to train it on certain records within the data set that meet specific criteria? So maybe I want to look at only those records that have revenue over a certain dollar amount, or only those records within product group one. And this way we can create several different models on different subsets of the data and compare the results to just the overall model where we include everything. So it's a great way to experiment. We can do that very easily in our platform. So let's add a node here. And if we start typing filter, you'll see there's a node called filter data. We select our data set. And for column name, let's start with a numerical one. So let's do total revenue. And let's say it's greater than $100,000. Okay. And if we click save, and then we go to preview, you'll see the message come up, sorry, no data is available. And that's because within our data set, none of the records meet that criteria of having revenue over $100,000. So if we go back in, instead of previewing the node, we edit it. And now we say total revenue greater than, let's make it 80,000 and see if that gives us any records. Now, if we click on preview, you'll see we have filtered our data where the total revenue column, they're all greater than $80,000. Now, what if in addition to that, we wanted to filter on a text or categorical variable like product group? We can just go back to the node, go back to the design view, add another condition. And here we're going to say product group equals, and we're just going to say group one. So now it has to meet both these criteria. This is an and, not an or, okay? So now we go back to filter data, we look at our preview, and you'll see that it has indeed filtered the data to only the rows that have total revenue greater than 80,000 and product group equal to group one. So you can do this for any combination of products, customers, revenue amounts you want. This is the filter data node. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for using the Sway AI platform.